yan? Hala, sira mo yan. Bakit mo yan gisira? Bakit mo yan gisira? Wala na. Sira na. Yan eh. Oh. Yan eh. Okay, since today is Father's Day, magluluto ako ng special dinner for the family. So, bumili ako ng T-bone sa supermarket at saka whole chicken para i-grilled ko yung T-bone and ang whole chicken i-deep fried. So, yan, i-marinate ko na siya. So, nilagyan ko rin ng tanglad sa loob at saka potatoes. Then, mga seasoning like asin, pepper. So, nag-prepare din ako ng shrimps na malalaki para lutuin ko siya for sweet chili shrimps. So, ito na yung finished product. Yan, sweet chili shrimps. Then, kanina, nag-bake na ako ng mango cake. Yan, ang T-bone. At saka mango cupcakes. So, ready na ang aming dinner for Father's Day.
Sa Yanis Kitchen Yanis Kitchen Jensan. Mali mga among mga recipe. Asa naman si Father? Asa naman si Royax? Asa naman si Roy? Mana? Sus, kabalo mo? Dili ako ang Happy Father's Day. Kasi walang pansit. Sa pansit lang kami magsimula at saka matapos sa pansit. Happy Father's Day na rin. Pansit ko ka na guys. Okay.
Oh, Happy Father's Day. Anong?
You must try this.
Ito na ang siya. Ito man, manihapon na ito dito. Wala na humpy-dumpy. Wala na. What's the sound of the horse? What's the sound of the horse? What's the sound of the horse? What's the sound of the cat? What's the sound of the dog? What's the sound of the dog? What's the sound of the cow? Very good. What's the sound of the snake? What's the sound of the snake? What's the sound of the frog? What's the sound of the... Hi! Good afternoon. My name is Yani. Yani, what's the sound of the horse? What's the sound of the horse? What's the sound of the cat? What's the sound of the cat? Oh, what's the sound of the horse? Very good. What's the sound of the cat? Cat. Ah, sige, what's the sound of the horse? Neigh. What's the sound of the cat? What's the sound of the cat? Pia ang sound sa cat? What's the sound of the cat? Wala na kongkong. What's the sound of the lion? What's the sound of the lion? Hi guys, so we're going to our special dinner, post-celebration Father's Day dinner. So, siya ang manlilibre.
Ganun, ikaw yung may...
Ako man nag-prepare ng dinner kagabi, so ngayon ikaw naman magpakain. So, saan tayo kakain, boss?
Big Ben Steakhouse. Your favorite.
Okay, so mag-steak na naman daw siya. Steak.
Sama dyan kung ba na